Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic, the basic template of a C program. A C program has one or more functions, with main being the default function. Every function in the C program has a header as well as a body. Int is a keyword. Int here specifies the return type of the function main. Whenever main returns, it returns an integer value. Here you can see the return of main. Main is returning a value 0. What actually main returns is its status to the operating system. If it is 0, it notifies to the operating system that the program has executed successfully. argc and argv are the arguments to the function main enclosed in parentheses. The body of the function enclosed in curly braces. Inside the body, there is a call to printf function which prints the message hello world. Function will print the hello world on the output device, and following hello world, the /n will move the cursor to the next line. Next, main is invoking the function hello func. Once again, hello func has a header and a body, as can be seen. The header has the name of the function followed by the arguments, and preceding the function name is the return type. In this case, hello func's return type is void, means it returns nothing, and there are no arguments to hello func. Inside the body, the printf function is printing a message hello from function followed by a /n to move the cursor to the next line. This is the definition of the function hello func. If a function has been defined after the definition of the main function, we can declare that function before main as shown. This is called a function prototype. Now, if you observe, hello func has been declared and defined, and then invoked inside the main function. Similarly, printf has also been invoked, but without any definition. Where is the definition of printf? The definition of printf is present in some other source file and has already been compiled into a binary which exists in the form of a standard library, and it has been declared in the file called standard.io.h. If you include the file standard.io.h in the C program, then we can use the function printf and some more input-output related functions. What happens if you do not use standard.io.h file in your C program? The compiler will give an error. You will get an error if you use these functions without including the file standard.io.h. So before using any standard functions, ensure that a proper header file has been included. So you can see here, #include standard.io.h. #include is a preprocessor directive which helps us to include standard.io.h. Now, let's see how to compile this C program. We can use a compiler like GCC. Run the compiler GCC with your source file as input. hello.c is the source file containing this program. Run the GCC with hello.c as input. Now, GCC will compile this source file into an object file and from an object file into an exe file. With -o option flag, you can specify the name of the output file. -o hello implies we expect the output file should be named as hello. After successful compilation, the output file named as hello will be created by the GCC compiler. Now, you can use the command /hello to run the program and get the output as shown. This is how you can compile and execute a simple C program. Now, coming back to the output of these functions, the main function invoked printf. The printf displayed hello world. The cursor moved to the next line using /n. Then hello func function also prints a line, hello from function. And once again, /n is used to move the cursor to the next line. The output of this program is hello world, hello from function. Let's see some basic technical terms and their explanation. Preprocessor direct. Instruction for the compiler to preprocess the source code before actual compilation. Like hash include standard.io.h. Header file. A file containing C declarations and macro definitions to be shared between several source files, like standard.io.h file in this program. Main function. The entry point of a C program. The execution of any C program starts from here. Return type. The type of the value that a function returns. In this case, the return type of main is int. The return type of hello func is void. Function declaration specifies the name, the return type, and the parameters of a function, like void hello func is specifying the return type, the name of the function, as well as the parameters. Function definition provides the actual body of a function. String literal, a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes, like hello world enclosed in double quotes. Escape sequence, a sequence of characters starting with a backslash used to represent special characters. Keywords, reserved words in C that have special meaning, like void, int, return, etc. Identifier, the name given to the elements such as variables and functions. Hello func, main, argc, argv are all identifiers. Argument, the actual value of a variable that is passed to a function. Parameter, the variable in the declaration and the definition of a function is called as a parameter. Standard library, a collection of pre-written functions and macros provided by C, like printf from standard.io.h. Return statement terminates the execution of a function and optionally returns a value to the caller, like return 0 by the function main. Curly braces, used to define the beginning and the end of the block of code. Semicolon, used to terminate a statement. Printf hello world is terminated with a semicolon. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.